What are you doing? Hey. Dude, I'm throwing up.
Really?
Yeah. Look at this stream.
Oh, dude, it's all over my screen.
Oh, my bad, dude.
It's like, I'm covered in it.
I'm trashed, my guy.
I wish you could see what my screen looks like.
I can't even walk up to the bar right. I can't. You gotta try this.
Ooh, I've got a lovely guest.
I'm trying. I keep hitting refill tanker.
Press your mouse to drink from it. Ah, dude.
Oh, there you go. Oh, wow. How many do I have to get trashed?
2.
Hang on.
Oh no.
Yeah, hook it up.
Grog is pouring nicely.
Hook it up.
Should be getting a new delivery later.
Becky, I can have like so much fireball. I don't.
Dude, it's like moving me away from the counter. When do I throw up? It's just leaking.
Keep drinking, bro.
Did I throw up yet?
I didn't see you throw up.
Ooh, I've
You'll
got
know
a
when you
lovely
throw
guest.
up. You have like it starts shooting from your face. There you go. Oh, oh, dude. So trash, bro. This is all we do for 2 hours. Just a trashed simulator.
Alright, let's start fighting.
All right, hold on.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And go. Oh, throwing up on each other. Tony, I can't even see.
Alright, is there like pirate Advil up in here? Like,
Yo, I'm gonna need some pirate Imodium because I think I just shit myself. All right, I'm sobering up, dude. I guess that grog was not that strong. Here, eat these. These will make you feel better. They're worms.
are they bar nuts?
Oh, I ate them. Ew. Alright, did you find a map? Did you get like a treasure map?
I have to speak to the clothes.
Oh, I'm still throwing up. Sick.
Dude, I jumped right in, no problem.
Hold on, keep. Yeah, hold
I
on.
was gonna switch and
Alright, so. You gonna, you gonna yell some reggaeton lyrics over that?
Yes. Who's got a gasolina?
Sweet Jesus. Alright, hold on. I am on the island.
Oh, I guess that's what you have to switch to if you want to, like... What a
Oh.
complicated instrument.
This thing goes hard though. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm a pirate and I'm rolling really hard looking for gold. Glittering, chasing stars on a... Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, I got a compass.
I think the banjo is much better.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait, oh, there's shanties?
Can we sing together?
I guess you can pick the song. Oh, dude, Ride of the Valkyrie.
Oh, hold on. I'm gonna break my ship. Can I pick my shanty?
You definitely ride a Valkyrie.
Oh, jolly good fellow. Oh my god, dude!
You're going hard. Oh god, this Steve Ross entrance music.
Raise the anchor! And hit it. And away!
I think still says speak to the gold order.
And away we go. Oh, do you have to speak to the gold hoarder?
Alright, dude, hang on. I'll be right back.
Let me turn this whip around.
No, I just jumped out.
I'm gonna turn it around. I'm coming back.
I straight up just took a dive right into the water.
Oh no. Oh, there's a giant rock here.
Find and interact with the mermaid now? What?
Don't interact with the mermaid, dude. Those are known to drag sailors to their deaths.
Aren't those sirens?
I think so.
No, this one is a redhead. She looks kind of hot.
She is hot. All right, coming in.
Which one did you do? Place for glitter and gold?
Coming in for a... Oh, no. Oh, I just realized I don't know how to stop.
No, dude, just...
Coming in for a landing. All right, here we are.
Hey, alright, I'm out.
All right, we got it, dude.
Oh no, we have to repair the ship.
We got it. This ship is fine.
How do we repair it?
Still drunk
Oh,
for...
dude. Oh, dude, we're taking out water.
Dude, we are okay.
We are seriously taking out water at the bottom.
Oh, shit. All right, hold on. Hold on. I got my bucket.
Yeah, I got it. I'm repairing the boat.
All right. Yeet.
Okay.
All right, we good?
Alright.
You better stay down there because it's going to happen again trying to get out of this thing. Did you talk to the gold hoarder?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, the glittering gold thing.
All right, so I'm going to lay out a, I'm going to propose a mish here. Hold on. I propose...
I have one for a set sail for a hidden stash of black powder and buried loot. And then another one, which is a quest for glittering gold. Dig up the treasure marked on the map.
Oh, can you drop... Can you just drop all of yours on there? Oh, there you go. Okay. A plentiful stash of powder and arms? I want the straps. I just threw my dagger in. Okay, here we go.
I hear menacing music.
Yeah, what's happening? Oh, what is that? Dude, is that the Megalodon?
What?
I just heard a monster. Oh shoot, dude! It's the Meg! It's the Meg! Or it's a Cthulhu!
Oh, what? Okay.
What?
Yeah,
Oh
gotcha.
no!
Yeah, get the cannon. The cannon.
Where'd it go? Oh wait, there's gold over there. I got a barrel.
Pull
What?
the barrel up.
What's
Where did it
in
go?
it?
Where did that thing go?
That was like a fruit barrel. Someone should stop this ship because no one is steering this right now.
I get the water with that thing swimming around. Whatever.
I think we're good. That thing was crazy though.
Oh, we gotta carry the chest.
No, I'm not gonna carry it that far. I'll pull up closer. I just wanted to see like, are we at shark fin right now? Is the shark fin camp?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So I will pull it up a little bit closer. Do you have the chest?
No, I jumped out
Oh, all right.
mistakenly.